everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, why has Lazypay blocked me? Now, this question makes it seem as if your Lazypay account has been blocked, and if that is so, there are some common reasons why this might have happened. One of them is non-payment of dues. You see, this is a very common reason. If you have outstanding bills that haven't been cleared by the due date, Lazypay may block your account or limit your access to their services until the payment is made. The second reason could be credit limits exhausted. You see, you may have reached your assigned credit limit on your Lazypay account or Lazy card. You will not be able to make further transactions until you've repaid the amount used. The third reason could be suspicious or incorrect activity. If Lazypay detects any unusual or potentially fraudulent activity on your account, they may block it as a security measure to protect you and themselves. This could include multiple incorrect login attempts or transactions that seem out of the ordinary for your account usage. The fourth reason, violation of terms and conditions. If you have violated any of the terms and conditions of using Lazypay services, your account could be suspended or blocked. This could relate to providing incorrect information, improper use of the service, or other breaches of their policy. The fifth reason could be regulatory reasons. You see, in some instances, accounts or certain types of transactions might be temporarily blocked due to updates or changes in the regulations that affect our services like Lazypay operates, as seen in past situations with UPI transactions. The sixth reason, account security. If Lazypay suspects your account details have been compromised, they may block it to prevent unauthorized transactions. So, to find out the specific reason for your account being blocked, you should check the Lazypay app. The app also provides information regarding your account status and may indicate why it has been blocked. You can also contact Lazypay customer support because this is the most direct way to get a verified reason. Just contact them. They can access your account information and provide the exact reason for the block and guide you on the steps to resolve it. Their contact details are usually available on their website or their app. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.